Welcome back, guys, to Steven's DIY Auto Repair.
All right, guys, and we are back. We are here with this 2014 Nissan Altima. And we have 207,994 miles on the clock. So today, our customer complaint is the seatbelt light is on the dashboard even when the seatbelt is buckled, or there's no passenger in the passenger seat, or when the driver's seat is even buckled. So prior to this, we actually replaced the driver's side seatbelt buckle, and we attempted to replace the passenger seat belt buckle, but of course we rounded out the fasteners and we had to order some, so we left it alone, and now we are back. We have some new fasteners to replace them, and we're going to be doing the passenger side today, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. So basically, like I said, we already did the driver's side. Even with the driver's side buckled, the customer was saying that the light would stay on. We confirmed that, and we fixed the problem. We put a new seatbelt buckle on, and it fixed the issue. Well, we have another one, and we're going to do the passenger side. So we got the parts from Nissan. I'll have to put the link up here somewhere for you guys. I can't remember off the top of my head. That was a couple weeks back, maybe almost a month ago. So no, not that long ago. It was a couple weeks back. But anyway, I'll make sure to mention the website as well as link it below so you guys can find the seatbelt buckle part if you guys need to. That was the only place That was the only place I was able to find it online for a decent price. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys. So for the passenger seat, we moved it all the way forward. We took the back and put it forward, and we took the headrest off. But because the back ones were the ones that were rounded out, we tackled those first. So I'll take you in the back and show you and check it out. Okay, guys, so once you have the seat all the way forward, you have access to two fasteners. This one wasn't rounded off too bad, so I was able to hit a little bit bigger size socket into it and grip it enough that we were able to get it out. This one, however, was so rounded out that I had to drill it out just a little bit and hammered this socket on there, and now we can get it out. There we go. So now we're gonna go for the other side. As you can see, it's pretty rounded out. Here's the really bad one. I drilled out a little bit, and good thing we didn't have to drill it out all the way. So now let's go to the front. All right, guys, so you're gonna have two more in the front. You could take a pry tool and basically just pry this little plastic piece off. There we go. And all four of these are going to be a T50. All right, guys, so we cracked them loose. If you notice, these are a little bit different than the ones in the rear. Now once you have these off, you should be able to remove your seat. So you want to be careful before you completely remove your seat. You want to make sure to disconnect your wiring harness. So we're going to come under here, disconnect it. And we'll keep disconnecting these and we'll bring you right back. All right guys, so once you disconnect your connectors, the trim tool comes in handy just to come back here and pop these little brackets off that hold it to the seat so that you can completely remove your seat. All right guys, so here's our seat belt buckle that we're gonna be replacing. So all you gotta do is pull down and up to release the seat cover to expose your seatbelt buckle connector. And then we're just gonna unplug it just like that. And then we're gonna come over here and it's gonna take the T50. Just like that, and it's removed. All right guys, so we have the new part. Yes, it is a different color, and yes, the customer is okay with that. Okay guys, so now that we got it installed, we're gonna go ahead and return the seat and mount back the seat. Okay guys, so as you can see, the airbag light and the seatbelt light is on. We have the driver's seat buckled. If we unbuckle it, it doesn't do anything. I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Now, if I put my seatbelt on in the passenger seat, the seatbelt light goes off. Unclick it, it comes back on. So our seatbelt is working properly. Our seatbelt buckle is working properly. We're gonna go ahead and finish installing this. We're gonna mount this all the way down, and we're gonna see if we can't clear out maybe that light for the airbag. Okay guys, so sorry, but our camera died, so we were unable to finish the video properly. However, the installation is just the reverse order of taking everything out, and we were unable to remove the airbag light because we did not have our scan tool with us. We just did not have it with us, so we're going to do that at a later date. But as you guys could see, the seatbelt buckle was working properly. It fixed the seatbelt issue. Now, however, the airbag light still does stay on, so either it just needs to be removed, or there's going to be if it comes back, there's going to be another issue involved. We did not diagnose this vehicle. We were just told to replace the seatbelt buckle, so that's what we did. In the future, if the light comes back on, more than likely we're going to have to do a proper diagnosis and maybe look into the occupant sensor, the passenger occupant sensor unit that's inside the seat that detects whether a person or someone is sitting in the seat. But as of now, that's where we're at, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. Please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And as always, guys, until the next one, have a good one.